Hotel Eastin near Valley Hope of Atchison. Whatever you are looking for, we have an offer that caters to your specific needs. We offer exuberant service, a range of amenities, and stylish interiors which present an unforgettable experience. The rooms are spacious and comfortable with plenty of facilities and amenities designed to support all your needs. Cable TV and air-conditioned rooms are featured at this property. Located 10 minutes from Benedictine College, free Wi-Fi access is available. A refrigerator is featured in every room. Fresh linens are provided along with towels in the private bathroom. Laundry facilities and vending machines are available for guests' convenience. Free parking is available. A wide range of restaurant choices is close to Hotel Eastin Atchison as well, meaning you can enjoy the good life while staying at our charming, budget-friendly, and well-located property. Kansas City Airport is 28 miles away. The International Forest of Friendship is only 9 minutes drive away. www.hotelEastinAtchisonKS.com